The truth is, as you and I both know, and as I've experienced firsthand, a lot of these people in private will say stuff they won't say in public because they're scared about being losing their jobs, or being accused of being pro-Hamas, or being accused of being anti-Semitic, or not getting invites to the right dinner party. And so they stay quiet. And you see the killing of Palestinian journalists in Gaza and the failure of Western journalists to speak up. That in itself, a lack of moral courage. When you see the students, however, as you say, risking their careers, their lives, getting doxxed, getting physically assaulted, as in UCLA, they are showing us moral courage. What's so fascinating is we never learn from history. Isn't it amazing, Richard, that we say, oh, well, the civil rights protests, those were students who got assaulted by the police and were demonized by the media. The anti-Vietnam War protests, assaulted by the police, demonized by the media. At every moment, almost every juncture, the students are on the right side of history and the media and political elites are on the wrong side, and yet we never learn. Problem is that people in this town, both politicians and journalists, just don't see Palestinians as full human beings. That's just a reality. I mean, we've slowly come around to accepting our kind of implicit biases when it comes to our treatment of Black people, but we still haven't really kind of reckoned with how we see brown people in the Middle East as expendable, as not fully human, as unpeople. Because how else do you explain the fact that media industry insiders will make lots of noise for journalists in Ukraine or Russia, but not in Gaza? Why is that? How do we justify that? I don't know the answer to that question. It's horrific. The number one question should be, why are we not there? Why do we not have Western media organizations on the ground in Gaza, in Rafah? What does Israel have to hide? Why is Israel blocking access? And why is the administration okay with this? It wouldn't be okay in any other war zone in the world with a government blocking access to the free press. Why have we just normalized this over 7 months?